Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I'm the Mummy Finger. Potato bonda is an easy and delicious tea time snack. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. We start with the potato fry and use it as a filling for the potato bonda. Take 4 big potatoes, peel them and cut them in smaller pieces. Boil them in a pressure cooker or vessel till the potato pieces are soft. In a pan, add little oil. When the oil is hot, add a pinch of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, 1 chopped onion, add 1 teaspoon salt. Sauté till the onion turns golden brown. Add the boiled potato pieces and mash them to the desired size. You could also mash them first and then add in the pan. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder. Mix everything well. Add required salt. Now the potato filling is ready. Shape the potato filling into small, uniformly sized balls. For the coating, in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons gram flour, one tablespoon rice flour, required salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, add water little by little to make into a smooth batter. The batter should not be very thick or watery. It should have a medium creamy consistency. In a frying pan, add oil and heat at high heat. When the oil is hot, dip the potato balls in the flour batter and gently fry them in the oil. Turn the balls around for equal frying on all sides. Tasty potato bonda is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.